If you really want to up your painting game and make it super easy to have great fast coverage with a smooth finish, I really encourage you to invest in our Staalmeester rollers. They are by far the highest quality that you can find on the market. The value for them is phenomenal because you can actually reuse these over and over again. So you wash them and reuse them. They're not a use and toss away. So much better for the environment as well. I wanted to show you, we've got a couple different sizes. So we have our 10 centimeter size and we have our 12 centimeter size. Depending on the size of your project, you're going to want to choose accordingly. So obviously the 10 centimeter is smaller, the 12 is larger. So you can really see it from that angle, even though it's about the same size this way. These are both interchangeably able to fit on the two different size handles. We have a long handle and then we have a shorter one. So if you're trying to get up into the corners or behind something, the long one is really ideal for that. And the short one is great if you're just doing something where you don't have to go and reach inside. So again, both sizes fit onto both the short and the long roller handle. And then of course, you can buy these in bulk or you can just get a simple 2-pack of the 10 size. Really fabulous, super microfelt fiber, leaves virtually no lint or anything behind, and it's a super smooth, flawless finish. So if you've ever experienced orange peel before, you're not gonna get it with this. Just a couple of tips: don't use too much paint on the roller and reuse these over and over again. It's really gonna be a true game changer for your painting.